Hello students, welcome to our session, and today we are taking part 3 of the chapter number 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals. We have discussed about the climate and weather from this chapter. We have different weather conditions, climate conditions according to places, according to water vapor. We have more benefits using water vapor. Then if we want to measure the measurement, then we have different units. Using the different things we can measure them. Now adaptations of animals to climate, as we have to set in our atmosphere, at our home atmosphere. When we go outside of our home, then we will get the different types of atmosphere. Then we have to adjust in the atmosphere. Like us, animals have also set themselves according to their climatic conditions. For example, if we can find out camels in cold areas, cold regions, and penguins in desert areas. No, because the features of the animals are different from each other. Camels and penguins have different features to compare them. The camel have features. According to their features, they can survive in deserts area, and in penguins they have different types of features available, and using these type of adaptations they can survive in cold regions. So as we have seen different types of features and different types of adaptations available in different types of animals. The climate in deserts is hot and dry, whereas an Antarctica is extremely cold area. So camel can live easily in deserts area, and penguin can live in easily in Antarctica area, according to their features, according to their adaptations. Camel and penguins had adapted themselves to survive in these deserved climatic conditions. These animals have developed special features in their body. Using their features, result of these features, they can survive in their particular regions. Polar regions. Polar regions are situated near the North and South Pole. North and South Pole, the regions remain covered most of by the snow. This type of area most covered by the snow. So we can say the atmosphere of this area is very cold because of the snow. The temperature is extremely cold for most part of the year. The temperature in winter may be low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. The sun does not set for 6 months in a year, and also sometime other 6 months it does not rise. So think the atmosphere will be polar regions is different compared to other regions. So only the animals, for example like penguin, they have different body features. In that they have adapted some types of features, and using these features they can live in north and south pole regions, which almost covered by the snow. Extremely cold atmosphere available there. In desert regions may be very hot or cold. They have a dry climate which very little regions. Some regions do not receive rain or snow for a year. In hot deserts, animals develop adaptations to conserve water. For example, camel. Camel is the most famous animal which live in desert. Their body functions, they have more different body functions in them, and using their functions they can survive in desert easily compared to camel. Other type of animals do not do, they cannot survive in desert and live their life there. We have also some famous deserts, for example Sahara and etc. We have more famous deserts are available around us. Then tropical regions are located around equator and therefore have a hot climate, but they have also enough amount of rain available there. They have hot atmosphere also, and also their enough amount of rain also available there. These type of regions are called the tropical region. Tropical rainforest. The tropical regions are more famous for, we can see the more amount of many amount of plants and animals are there because the atmosphere is very safe for them. So we can see the different plants and different animals in the tropical regions. Now, adaptations of animals. We have different animals around us. We can see the different types of animals. The adaptations of their animals are also different. As we all know about the food habit of animals, they are omnivorous, herbivorous and carnivorous. According to their food, they have different categories in their food also. Like this, they have also adaptations in their body to survive at different places. In animals, they have different adaptations, and using this adaptation, they can survive in different regions at a different types of climatic conditions. First, adaptations in a polar bear. In polar bear, they have some types of features, and using these features, they can live easily in north and south pole, which the area which is almost covered by the snow. The body has white fur. Their body has a white fur, and using this white fur, the white fur will protect them from the cold atmosphere. Then the fur has two layers. These layers is also very useful to them to protect them to the very cold conditions, because we all know the atmosphere of these regions are very cold there. In addition to fur, a thick layer of fat is present under the skin. This layer of fat also help to keep them warm in cold atmosphere. They have one type of layer on their body, and this thick layer is very useful to them. This layer keep them warm also. It can close its nostrils. It can close its nostrils. These features help the animal during the swimming. By these features, they can also stay for a long time in a water also. They can close their nostril while they are swimming. It has a strong sense of smell. They have also a strong sense of smell, which are very useful to them because that helps in locating the prey from a distance. If they have prey from their distance, by using these features, they can get their prey easily. It has paws are flat and broad, which help it to walk on ice. Because all not easy to walk on ice, but the paws are flat and broad of these animals. By using these features, they can easily walk on ice. It has long curve and sharp claws. This provide good grip and helps it to walk on ice also. It has a small ears that help it to retain as much heat as possible. So like this, polar bear have these type of features, and using these features, they can easily live in cold temperature. Now, adaptations in penguin. Penguin has also different types of features available in their body. Penguin is another well-known animal living in the polar regions, and so they have also shown on different types of features in their body. First, its body is white colored from the underside and merge well with the white background of snow. Their body color is white, so they can easily merge themselves with the snow and protect themselves from the other type of animal, because their body color is white, and which is very useful to them to protect themselves. It has thick skin and a thick layer of fat. They have also thick skin and a thick layer of fat, which is very useful to them because the thick layer keep them warm and protect their body from the very hot atmosphere. The body is streamlined and the feet have waves. Their waves are also most modified like this, and using these features help in swimming. They can easily swim. Penguins are good swimmers. Among them, penguins are good swimmers, and using these features, they can easily swim. Like polar bears, penguins also have very small ears, which help the animal to retain as much heat as possible. Then adaptation in birds. Birds are also covered by the feathers. By using the feathers, they can protect themselves. They can keep themselves warm and protect themselves from the very cold atmosphere. They sometimes they migrate for protecting themselves. Sometimes some types of birds can migrate when the atmosphere is very cold. They go at the another place, at the hot atmosphere place, and protect themselves. They doing migration there, and using these features they also protect themselves. Then adaptations in deserts. A camel. We have a most famous animal we can see in desert is camel. In your previous class, you have also learned about the adaptations of the camel. Camel have different types of features on their body. Using these features, they can easily survive in deserts area. It has a brown color body. Brown color body which matches well with the surroundings area. We all know the color of the sand. Which is the color of the sand? Brown. And the color of the camel is also brown. So they can easily mix themselves in their surroundings area and protect them. It has a long eyelashes which protects the eyes during the sandstorms. When the sandstorms are going on in the sand, we have to face many sand from our face also, on our body also. Now at that time the camel has a long eyelashes which protect them from the sandstorm also. It can close its nostrils to prevent sand from entering its nose easily. They can also close their nostrils, and this feature is very useful to them. These features protect them from the sandstorm. Using these features, the sand will not go in their nose. The hump of a camel. The hump of a camel store their food, and when they get the food, they eat a penalty of the food and store their food in their hump. Also, they also store the water in their body, because in sandy area we all know it is not possible to get water and food whenever we need. So when camel get food and water, they can store the food and water in their body, and when it will want, they can use the body water and food which they have already stored in their body. This feature is also we can see in camels, and this is also very useful to them. It has a thick lips. We all see the lips of the camel. They are very thick, which help it to eat prickly deserts plant like cacti without hurting itself. We all know the cacti is almost seen in the deserts area. The leaves of the camel are thick. Because of these features, they can easily eat the cacti. It has well-padded wide feet, which is helpful to them to walk easily on the sandy area. We all know it is very hard to walk on sand. But the structure of the feet is the camel. They have specially modified some types of features, using some types of features, and using these features, they can easily walk on sand. Then adaptations in tropical area, tropical rainforest. Tropical area, that means they have enough hot atmosphere also, and enough amount of rain also. We can see the most amount of plants and animals are available there. The climatic conditions in rainforest are highly suitable for supporting a rich variety of plants and animals. As I said to you, the animals include gorillas, monkeys, lions, etc. We can see many types of animals and plants are available there. Since the number of animals living in rainforests are very large, because the atmosphere is very good there, and using this atmosphere, the many amount of plants and animals can live there. Adaptation for food. The animals and plants which live there, they have also some types of adaptation for food, as there is competition for food, because we all know to get food, if we want to eat something, that it will be not easy for us. At present time, you are student and your father doing job, so You cannot face any problem for getting food, but your father has suffered from many problems to getting food. Like this, the animal also cannot get food easily. They have also some types of competition in their life to get their food. Some animals have developed some types of features, and using these features they can easily obtain their food easily, which is not easy for all types of animals. For example, in toucan, they have special features available there. They have possess a long, large beak. So, using this beak, they can easily get their prey from distance also. But in other types of animals, these features are not available. So, they have to survive. They have to face many types of problems to get food. Then, adaptation for shelter. Shelter is also main need for us. We all, if we want to live safe, then we want a safe house for us. Like them, like us, animals also want adaptation for shelter. As the living areas is quite less in comparison to the large number of animals, many animals are adapted into living on trees. Arboreal animals, aerial animals, terrestrial animals, we all know about the habitat of the types of the animals. They using the different types of habitat to live. So like this, the all animals have to adapt some different types of features to find out their shelter also and stay in shelter also. Generally, all types of animal using different types of features to stay in shelter. Then other adaptations. In animals, we have also some types of other adaptations. We can see the different types of adaptations are available. For example, camouflage. They can convert their body color. Body color they can mix their body color with their surrounding areas. As the camel have brown color, they can mix themselves in a color of the sand and protect themselves. Then other types of animals, for example, elephant have also some type of features, and using these features they can protect themselves. For example, it has a big trunk which is useful to them as a nose also, and also picking their food. They have like these features, and using these features they can get their food also easily. Its tusks can tear the bark and trees and eat them. These features we can also see in elephant also. It has large ears which can very helpful to them, which can hear very little sound also. So these type of features we can also see in elephants. More in many types of animals, they have different adaptations to stay at different places. They have some types of adaptations in their body for food, for shelter. In all types of animals, they have features for surviving their life. So students, in this chapter, first we have discussed about the weather, the climate and adaptations for surviving the animals at different places. We have no same atmosphere at all day, at all places also. On our earth, different places, different regions have different atmosphere available there. Water vapor is present in air, and because of water vapor we will get rain, because when water vapor mixed with the heat wind, it becomes a water droplets and come back on our earth as a rain. Because of this reason we also get the rain. Then animals also adapt some types of features to stay at different places. Camel cannot stay in north and south pole, and penguin cannot stay in deserts because their features are different from each other. So our chapter number 7 is completed here. Now we will meet in our next chapter. Till then, take care.